Welcome back, guys. Before we move on, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the best one-pot rice you have ever had. Alright, so we've already added our onions to our palm oil, guys, and we're going to go ahead and add garlic and allow this to fry in for about 5 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and add some seasoning, which is rosemary and turmeric, and we're adding 1 tablespoon of each. Now right after, we're going to go ahead and add coconut milk. This is 2 cups of coconut milk, guys. We're going to let it simmer on low heat for 10 minutes. After cooking the lamb chops, we're going to go ahead and cook our shrimp. We're going to slow cook this for about 3 minutes, guys. We're not going to cook it all the way through. Make sure that you add salt for taste. Made the freaking vibe. Fuego made the freaking vibe.